Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Memorydex cards that I made. These are going out to a friend of mine. We decided to do a five Memorydex card swap. I haven't been swapping a lot lately and we haven't swapped in a long time, so decided to do something simple and fast. She just had a baby, so she doesn't have that much time in her hands. I do way too much, so just some Memorydex cards is perfect for me right now. And yeah, one of these has already been created. You guys know I showed you guys this one that I had made quite some time ago. I want to send it to her because I absolutely love it, and sometimes I tend to make things and then I just hold on to it, but I don't want to do that with this one. I want to send it to her. I think she will really appreciate it and love it because I love it so much. So I'm not going to show you guys this one. I do have them packaged up in little plastic bags so they don't get destroyed or ruined. I made this super cute little Willow Lane one. You guys can see that. I'm trying to keep them in the package and not like ruin them, being that I closed them up already. But I just used some Willow Lane paper, some of the thickers, and the little puffy stickers, some pink crepe paper, and then I used that trim, the star trim. And this is a little puffy sticker that says, "Hey sweetheart." And I think it's simple. The Memorydex card, I didn't use the punch for this one. I actually made this one through my Cricut. And yeah, that's just the card. It's double-sided because it makes it more sturdy. So this is another one that will be going out to her. And then you guys, these three right here, I'm super excited for. I decided to break into my Penelope collection by My Mind's Eye. And being that she just had a little girl, I thought that these would be perfect. And let me show you. I'm going to open them up so that you can see these really good, because they're so cute, you guys, and I'm so proud of it. So I cut this crown. The collection has a lot of crowns and stuff like that, but I didn't have a crown this big. So I cut the crown on my Cricut. And you guys, look how cute it turned out. I used some cute little pom-poms for the top just to match the color. And then this is what the back looks like. I did some stitching on the sides over here. And then used some of the die cuts that came with the collection. The cute little star puffies also from the collection. I used a little mint green enamel dot and I absolutely love it, you guys. It says dreams come true. Super cute, and I hope she loves it as much as I do. I think it just came out so adorable. Let me know down below what you guys think, which one is your favorite. Then there's this one, you guys, which is super cute. This one is, I used a circle die to make this one, and this is what it looks like. I used one of the little girls from the die cut bag, and then how cute, it says princess. I did some little pom-pom trim on one side, a cute little star, some little pearl enamel dots, and I used that circle die, and that's what that looks like. All the paper is also from the collection, you guys. Super cute. I think this collection is discontinued, and I actually picked this up when I think Your Scrapbook website was having that big sale. That's when I picked up that collection. And then the last one, you guys, is this one right here, which is a die cut from the ephemera pack, and it's a frame, and I decided to kind of like layer it with some striped paper. The paper back here is not from the collection. It's a paper I found in my stash, but I used one of the cute girl little tassels and just put it right here. And then these little die cuts right here are from the collection, as well as the puffies. This little puffy is from a sticker pack that I had, as well as this little heart right here. I did some stitching, and you guys, I think this one came out so cute. I absolutely love it. Just some little random stitching on the bottom. I absolutely love this collection. I hope that I can find it again. I might end up searching on eBay and see if I can find some more. But it's super cute and girly and perfect for her because she just had a baby. But yeah, you guys, those are the Memorydex cards that will be going out to my pen pal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.